For the Serbian people, Kosovo is not merely land, but an ancestral deed passed down through generations. This debt began in the year 1389, when tens of thousands of Serbian soldiers fought to the death to defend their faith. Its modern peak came in 1999, when they endured 78 days of NATO airstrikes, forcing Serbs to abandon their spiritual homeland under pressure from the West. But the Serbs are inherently resilient. They never forget. Instead of mourning, they quietly transformed their entire nation into a cost-optimized, self-reliant weapons ecosystem. From tanks revived after 40 years to wire-guided missiles, Serbia manufactures everything itself to ensure that if gunfire erupts again, they will not stand still and be bullied. So what exactly lies inside this made-in-Serbia arsenal that keeps adversaries awake at night? Let us find out now. Main battle tanks. Death-dealing bulldozers. The M84 is the only upgraded T-72 variant that even the Russians respect. While the original Soviet version focused purely on brute strength, the Serbs equipped it with the highly intelligent SUV M84 computer brain as early as the 1980s, a time when most of us were still struggling with NES electronics. The result is the ability to hit fast-moving targets with astonishing accuracy. Especially in the mountainous terrain of Kosovo, the M84 is 20 tons lighter than NATO tanks, allowing it to climb slopes like a mountain goat instead of becoming immobilized like Western giants. The M84AS serves as a critical modernization bridge, bringing 21st century technology into an aging chassis. Serbia has added laser warning systems and new armor, enabling it to directly confront the most modern anti-tank missiles instead of becoming a moving pile of scrap metal on the battlefield. M84AS1. This is a true digital fortress with a panoramic commander observation system. The Serbs have layered it with dense ERO-19 explosive reactive armor, sufficient to stop the most advanced armor-piercing rounds. M84AS2. This upgrade focuses on fully digitizing the cockpit and communication systems. It allows the crew to see through darkness as if it were daylight, rendering all enemy concealment efforts meaningless. Armored vehicles and combat vehicles, the backbone of the army. The Lazar series, with variants ranging from 3 to 3P, represents a major evolution from a mild-mannered troop carrier into a wheeled platform capable of integrating anti-tank firepower. While the 3A1 version mounts a powerful 30mm turret, the 3P variant is equipped with Nova missiles capable of destroying targets from several kilometers away. With a speed of 110 kilometers per hour, it can deploy forces twice as fast as tanks on paved roads, a perfect choice if you want to go to war and still be home by dinner. The BVP M80 is a stubborn amphibious vehicle from the Cold War era, but remains extremely in demand. It can swim across rivers as quickly as an otter without complex preparation. While opponents are still struggling to find a bridge, the M80 has already reached the opposite bank and is ready to unleash its 20mm cannon fire on them. The BOV M16 Miloš looks like a rugged SUV for the wealthy, but do not be foolish enough to cut it off in traffic. It is a mini fortress capable of withstanding the blast of 10 kilograms of explosives directly beneath its chassis. Thanks to its compact size, Miloš can easily maneuver through tight urban alleys and specializes in long-range fire escort missions in rugged mountainous terrain, where bulky vehicles can only stand by helplessly. The OTM-60 is a tracked veteran from the Yugoslav era. Despite its somewhat outdated appearance, its ability to climb slopes and traverse muddy terrain still commands respect from many modern armored vehicles. The BOV-3, instead of transporting troops, carries 3 barrels of 20mm anti-aircraft guns. It is a nightmare for any low-flying target that dares to enter its sights. UGV and military robots. The Unmanned Legion. The Miloš robot, also known as Mali Miloš, is a SEAL hunting dog that greatly excites Serbian special forces. It can climb stairs, infiltrate underground spaces, and deliver precise machine gun fire, reducing risk for soldiers in confined environments. This is how the Serbs eliminate dangerous targets without risking the lives of flesh and blood troops. Milica is considered the ancestor of Serbia's military robot line, developed as early as 2009. a time when the world was still preoccupied with the first-generation iPhone and had little idea what drones were. Milica stands as proof that Serbia's technological vision can sometimes be strikingly ahead of its time. Artillery, the gods of thunder. The Nora B-52 system and its NG upgrade are dubbed Serbia's export queen. With a fully automated loading mechanism, it can fire faster than you can order a Starbucks during rush hour. In just 1 minute, it can rain down tons of steel on the enemy and withdraw before opposing radar can even pinpoint its position. The MGS-25. Alexander is a true monster with a terrifying firing rate of 6 rounds per minute. In the world of artillery, this is delete button speed. It is not just a gun but a blunt message sent to any defensive line. The Sora and Nora M84 models exemplify Serbian practicality. Take extremely durable traditional gun barrels and mount them on modern truck chassis. The result is an immensely powerful fire system at an unbelievably low cost. The M56 howitzer, although considered an antique in this collection, should not be underestimated. In attrition warfare, these iron pot guns remain more than capable of giving opponents a severe headache due to their durability. Multiple launch rocket systems. Fire rain from the sky. Shumadia, the long arm of the Serbian military with an astonishing range of 285 kilometers. It is no longer a conventional rocket artillery system, but is approaching the power of a cruise missile. Jarina 1, a highly precise guided missile variant designed to destroy enemy command centers from a safe distance. The Temnava system features an intelligent modular design in the style of fire whatever you want. It can flexibly switch between 122mm and 262mm munitions, allowing the Serbian military to tailor firepower based on budget and target. The M77 Oganj is a legendary 128mm system capable of launching 32 rockets in under 1 minute. The M18 Oganj is a modernized, modular version that can fire ALAS missiles, a transformation that turns this veteran into a high-tech killer. Orkan, a 262mm giant that creates firestorms covering areas the size of dozens of football fields. This is why the Balkans are not for the faint-hearted. The G2000 rocket is a quiet record holder. Despite being only 122mm, it can reach a distance of 25 miles, 40 kilometers, making it the longest-range rocket of its class in the world today. Missiles and anti-tank. Steel punches. Alas and Ralas are known as fiber optic killers. Why do they not need GPS or satellites yet still hit their targets? Simply because they are guided through an ultra-thin fiber optic cable. The enemy may jam radio signals, but they can do nothing against a physical wire guiding the missile straight into the window of their tank. Nova and Bumbar are short-range steel punches for infantry. They are compact, easy to carry, yet powerful enough to turn the most expensive tanks into scrap metal in seconds. The M79 OSA is a reusable 90mm system known for its durability and precise 4x optical sight. It specializes in engaging fortified bunkers and medium armored vehicles, ensuring stable firepower in all harsh conditions. The M80 Zolja is a disposable anti-tank launcher made of fiberglass, weighing only 3 kilograms. This ultralight design turns every soldier into a mobile tank hunter, capable of destroying close-range armored targets without the need for vehicle support. The M90 Sturchlin is a heavy 120mm punch, the nemesis of explosive reactive armor. With penetration up to 800mm, it delivers firepower comparable to that of a main battle tank gun, capable of neutralizing even the most fortified steel strongholds. Strategic value. Serbia selects this trio to optimize its budget under the doctrine of attrition warfare. With a cost equivalent to a smartphone, they are capable of destroying multi-million-dollar war machines. The Kosovo 1 and 2 series represent the pinnacle of cost efficiency. The Serbs have repurposed old rocket motors, adding guidance fins and warheads to turn them into modern guided missiles. AIR defense, the Balkan shield. Pasar's 16 is the Frankenstein of the skies. It is a strange combination of Swedish anti-aircraft guns, French and Russian missiles mounted on an armored truck chassis. It may look improvised, but it is one of the top suppressors of modern unmanned aerial vehicles. Harpus and Sava are the newest mobile shields protecting maneuvering units from aerial surveillance. River Navy. Fortresses on the Danube. The RPB-30 Kozara is the flagship of Serbia's river fleet, serving as a mobile command and logistics center on water. Although not a direct combat vessel, Kozara's coordination capability is key to controlling the Balkans' vital waterways. The Neshtin-class vessels are resilient minesweepers dedicated to securing the flow of the Danube River. Equipped with quadruple 20mm anti-aircraft guns, they not only clear underwater obstacles, but also serve as highly effective low-altitude air defense platforms. The Type 411 landing craft transports troops and heavy equipment to difficult riverbanks. With shallow water operation capability, it enables the Serbian army to rapidly deploy forces across areas where bridges have been destroyed. The Premax 39 is a modern, high-speed, multi-purpose patrol boat with superior speed. It is likened to a special police unit on water, specializing in reconnaissance and rapid response to waterborne threats. AIR Force, Iron Wings. The J-22 Oreo is the primary ground attack aircraft that Serbia has thoroughly modernized. Despite its Cold War-era airframe with new avionics, this Eagle can still deliver precise strikes, like an aging boxer who still has a punch strong enough to put an opponent to sleep early. The G4 Super Galeb is a pride of former Yugoslav aviation with exceptional aerobatic capability. It is a flexible trainer and light attack aircraft, a formidable opponent even against Western aircraft, thanks to its remarkable durability in combat. The Utva Lasta serves as the first teacher for young Serbian pilots. With a stable propeller design and low operating cost, this compact aircraft is the perfect stepping stone for training some of the most resilient pilots in the Balkans. UAV and drones. Invisible hunters. The Sturschlian UAV, also known as Hornet X-01, has an appearance straight out of a spy movie. Its ability to carry guided missiles and loiter for hours makes it a threat to armored units, where silence itself becomes the enemy's final warning. Pegaz and Gavrin 145 are next-generation loitering munitions developed by Serbia from battlefield lessons in Ukraine. Gavrin, in particular, is a non-refundable delivery service for the enemy's front door, delivering explosive payloads directly to enemy bases. Vrabak and ALECS-VTOL are all-seeing eyes capable of vertical takeoff without a runway. They can be deployed from any terrain, providing real-time intelligence with a level of precision that traditional reconnaissance systems would envy. Infantry Weapons, handheld legends. The Zastava M70 is Serbia's most famous AK variant, highly sought after by gun enthusiasts in the United States for its thick steel and legendary durability. It may be the only thing in the world more enduring than the promises of politicians during every election cycle. The Zastava M19 represents modern military thinking with its flexible multi-caliber capability. With just a few simple steps, soldiers can adapt their firepower on the battlefield to optimize logistics. The Zastava M93 Black Arrow is a heavy anti-materiel sniper rifle capable of destroying armored targets at a distance of 1.2 miles, 2 kilometers. Its power is sufficient to settle any long-range engagement with a single trigger pull. The CZ-99 pistol is a symbol of Serbian personal firepower, combining the best elements of European handgun design. It is a reliable companion, indispensable to special forces in urban operations. That is the true face of Serbia's arsenal, a formidable power contained within a small nation. From Cold War legends to cutting-edge future technologies, Belgrade is not just participating in the game, it is writing its own rules. Which weapon system impressed you the most in today's video? Leave a comment, hit subscribe, and we will see each other again in the next exploration.